we'll beat it. I'll beat it when it's wet, and then if it's still quite playable, leave it a couple of days to dry, and then go around with the trowel. Just go around the stone to expose it. Do you know what I mean? No, we don't beat it when it's dry. We beat it because it wouldn't work, would it?
This last night,
Yeah, well, I went around and sprayed everything with the hose first thing this morning. I didn't brush it up though. That's the thing with this, like, as long as you keep it wet, mate. Like, I'm brushing up stuff from last week.
quite full, that one, isn't it?
Por eso daddy, mom.
Can you pull that down?
Yeah. We get that. Do you know what? This week has been hard. It's like 28 to 31 all week. It's just been so hot. It just causes more aggro, but we've got to get this done, you know. We've been chucked back from, like, you know, loads of half days and stuff, and obviously we had a lot of rain at the end of July, and it's just like we're just really trying to kick on with it now. And it just seems like, yeah, this is just creating more work, because you're forever just keeping, you know, the lime wet, keeping it damp, and it's just, the time you go around, get it damp, lay a few stones, like, you're going back and like dampening it up again. It's just it's hard work. It is hard work, and obviously with Cam not here, you notice a difference. It's yeah, so I'm glad this week is done anyway. But we was going to hit the weekend here, but apparently it's like 32 tomorrow, and it's just really anything, you know, sort of, unless you're keeping it damp, anything above 28, really, you don't want to be using lime. It's just, you know, you just got such a high risk factor of it drying out, and that's like the worst thing that can happen, really. You know what I mean? So yeah, so we're just sort of just really analysing it, trying to work in places, but like I say, I'm just not getting a lot done each day. You know, I'm getting good chunks up, you know what I mean, but obviously not as much as I want to be, because obviously, because, you know, because of the labouring side. But yeah, no, we're getting there, but I'm glad this week's done. So we're just currently going to cover everything up now, the Hessian, really dampen it. I'm going to swing through probably maybe tomorrow at some point on the Saturday, just give everything a dampening. But yeah, like I say, well, one of us will come in and give it a good spraying up. But yeah, like I say, roll on next week. And well, Sunday, I'm back on that little sort of rough stone, dry stone effect wall I was doing last weekend, so I'm going to try and get another hit on that done, just so probably just leave the tops or something, but it is going to be double-sided, so that'll probably knock me back a bit. But yes, that's what I'm doing Sunday. But yeah, tomorrow I'm going to take a day off. It's been a good few weeks since I've had a day off, so yeah, I'm going to enjoy it tomorrow. And yeah, I don't know, I say that, I'll probably get drunk and be suffering Sunday, but you know, let's wait and see what happens to that one. But anyway, yeah, thank you very much for watching. Take care, and I'll see you in a bit. And stay hydrated, kids. Stay hydrated. I think I've lost about half a stone. That's all right, do me good, wouldn't it? But right, see you in a bit.